I know to say something saucy in the comment, in the this. Oh my, what the fuck am I talking? I know you guys see something in the title. Something bad. I know I say can't catch me like 3 times back with the prank name, but I never want to just drop no full prank. I did want to drop something like where I could catch her really good. And so I'm not want a shirt because it best me stay without a shirt for the prank here because it's gonna be epic. So I'm gonna act like say a girl in my room, my mother room or my room. I don't know which room I'm gonna use it because I cannot reach it though. So I'm gonna in the room. I'm gonna have a boombox like with a girl a talk or something, or like me and a girl in there do something or rubber dug. You see it? So can I go come and hear that? I'm gonna set up 2 cameras. One camera go there right there, like a show no right at the door. I wanna go there inside. With me I got it in my hand. So it's gonna be epic, guys. It's gonna be epic. Spam Team J in the comment section because I don't wait for this. So follow Instagram down below, with Snapchat, with Facebook, everything there in the description. And thank you for 70k subscribers. It's been a long way, but we have a longer way to go. So thank you. I love everybody who subscribe and really support us. So now we got this epic ass prank. So I go like set up the 2 cameras them and I set up them and think I show now I go until it came forward. So peace and teach forward. So guys, I swear me just she call me. Oh my god, it not load. Me get fuck. Plaything.
Remember time. I'm going to relax you. I'm going to use some of the very relaxing.
Oh, we had to do that fast. I like that.
Gia, come up main door. Gia!
Shh.
Gia!
B?
What main door? And don't be me.
Me I come. Me I come.
Just
Shh. Kenny.
Gia! Element took me
relaxing, fixing movements, sounds.
Gia!
Yeah.
What is this?
Me I come with me.
Open the door! No!
Me I wait.
Mia? What?
You can't go through this, sir. You can't go through this, sir. You can't go through the window. You want to go through the window?
Gia! What? Gia, come up main door now?
First, I'll start with some nice.
Gia!
Me I come.
No! How come let me say you come?
Yeah, but me I come. So you know? What you talk about, girl?
Yeah, somebody in there.
Nobody not in here.
Gia, me ear vibe.
Yeah, yeah, with a voice.
What me do?
With a voice, say.
What me do? me door now?
Shh! Sheena! Sheena!
You can't do this whole evening, you know.
What do you mean you can't do this? So stop letting the doors, son.
I now move to the door open.
Me I want meat.
Just because me a chat to no people.
Chop up! We are gonna chop up! But then what you just said? Look how me gonna chop them up in there. Me I sweat your fuck because I'm afraid. Me a boy I go on so far then.
Open the door.
You don't need for your go on, Sir Kenny. It's just me little friend to come over.
Just me little friend want
Kenny, you go lick car?
to open the door.
You go lick car?
You gonna lick her,
You go lick?
Open the door, Gio.
You go lick car, yes
Open
sir.
the door.
You afraid, Kenny is.
Movements.
Me I tell her, say you're afraid, yeah.
Open the door.
You go lick car, yes or no?
Open the door.
You go lick?
Gio, stop asking.
B, she wanna know if you go lick.
Ask my foolishness. She come here for you lick, so open the door. 'Cause she come
What do you mean she come here for lick?
Hey, what me do?
She not-
Open the door.
She not come here, B, she just come here.
Gio. What me do?
She just come here for come look.
Open the door. Come here just for the walk.
You just
for
call-
the walk.
Come look for weed, Gioandken.
Open the door.
She come look for...
Come look for we and you're not lock up in a room. Hey boy,
Me never let know I missed him
Hey
like.
boy, you know me? What me do?
You make... We know you make all the girl a cry. I said Gioandken this...
Open the door.
Guys, me go meet. Me get afraid.
You know what me do?
Ah, me a come.
Gio, open the door.
Alright, so...
You don't want to kick off your mother room door now.
So we are going so
What
far.
me do?
The girl now going no
Open
way.
the door.
And you are going the most way. The girl now going no
Why
way.
the most way? Why the door lock? Why it lock?
Because she just can't watch TV and...
Watch what kind of TV? TV in that fucking living room. What me do, Gio?
That one in that work good.
Hey, what me do? What me do?
Me a come stop beat the door like that.
Hey, open the door.
Me a wait till her car come, she just can't
Open
get.
the door!
Me just a wait for her car.
Me do it, Gio.
Ah, wait.
Why?
Wallace, make me think.
Hey, open this.
Me go with me.
What me do, Gio, man?
Bumbo clash, I beat it down. Me a come.
Gio, me kick off the door. What is?
We are doing the knife, Kenny's. Kenny's, we are doing knife. Kenny's, we are doing knife. Kenny's, we are doing knife. See her there? See her there? At the boombox.
Let me see.
See her there?
So where you wrap up
I,
all of these?
no, I just remember my clothes me. Look where she go for knife to pussy car. Remember my clothes.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh my, B, the door bust.
Don't do that.
You bust the door?
Don't do that.
You bust the door?
Stop, don't do that.
Oh my god, this was so epic, yo. Let me hear. See, I hear a she did that talk. Listen. A she. A she. Oh my, I see that one if a girl come here and me let the door. Like when.
Let me put down the knife here.
Shit, check under the bed. Check under
But
the
now
bed.
check underneath
She there under the bed. She under the bed. Guys, you know see how she a go on? Yo! I swear the door bust. Look how you sweat.
Look how you're afraid.
Look how you sweat.
I swear to God, Jib, I feel like all of John.
But try pin the bed said wait to pussy clear. Be nobody is here. So! Guys, let's see our reaction. That was this are the best. This are the prank of the year. This are the prank of the year. Oh my god, let's see how she react.
You better not carry nobody here, Jay, because...
You can't girl you already. A joke. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So, when you see her reaction,
Any girl come here, stab them up, you know.
when you see her reaction,
Any girl come here,
when you
stab
see her
them
reaction,
up, you know.
so spam up Team J in the comment section. I'm telling someone that will come back better. If you have a few pranks, them not bad like my one prank. So, I just saw.
Any girl that carry me, I stab them
Peace.
up, you know.
Guess what, girl?